Today, I'm at another hidden gem here in Warren, Michigan called Bellasinos, and they are known for their grinder subs. I just found out that their recipe for their bread was founded in 1959, so they've been using the same recipe, and I had to get myself a grinder because I absolutely love subs, and I'm just like that type of girl. The way the mayonnaise is, this place, you gotta get one. If you come to Metro Detroit, check out Bellasinos in Warren, Michigan. 10 Mile. Tell him Rose Vitale sent you. And check out Mike. He's the owner. Tell him, you know, you're a girl from the hood. Ciao. Rose Vitale.